Do you ever feel like your paycheck disappears before the month even ends? You're not alone. And today I'm going to show you a simple rule that can completely change how you manage your money. Most people don't run out of money because they earn too little. They run out of money because they don't control where it goes. If you feel like your paycheck disappears every month, the 50-30-20 rule might be exactly what you need. It's one of the simplest budgeting systems in the world, and it helps you divide your income into three clear categories, so you always know where your money should go. Let's break it down. The first part is 50% for needs. These are the essential expenses you must pay to live. This includes rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Basically, these are the expenses you cannot avoid. So if your monthly income is $3,000, about $1,500 should go toward your essential needs. The second part is 30% for wants. This is the money you use to enjoy life. Eating out, shopping, streaming, entertainment, hobbies, and travel fall here. These expenses aren't necessary for survival, but they make life enjoyable. If your income is $3,000, around $900 would go toward lifestyle spending. The last part is 20% for savings and investments. This is the most important part, helping you build your financial future. This money can go into an emergency fund, retirement savings, stock market investments, or paying off debt faster. If you earn $3,000 per month, $600 should go toward your savings and investments. When you follow this system, your money has a clear purpose. 50% covers your needs. 30% allows you to enjoy life. And 20% builds your future. The reason this rule works so well is that it creates balance. You're not just saving everything and feeling restricted, and you're also not spending everything and risking your future. You're doing both. That's how smart money management works. Start applying the 50-30-20 rule today, and you'll quickly see where your money is going and where you can improve. Remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens when you consistently make smart money decisions. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Smart Cash Blueprint for more personal finance tips, budgeting strategies, and side hustle ideas. And comment below, do you think you could follow the 50-30-20 rule?